and welcome to our YouTube channel. Thank you so dearly for always supporting us. I really do appreciate. If today the first time you are coming across this wonderful family or you are seeing my face for the first time, I still remain Agatha Progress, bringing it to you back to back. Remember, we react to all videos and all opinion is highly needed. So just sit back and watch this video and I will be right back.
The following persons are therefore relieved of any position that they may occupy in IPOB if they have any position, and they are expelled from this movement. Expelled. Let me repeat myself. These individuals that I'm going to call their name tonight will no longer, if anybody is dealing with them, you are dealing on your own. You are on your own. And these persons are as follows. Maazi Charles Emeka Iwuchukwu. This is the person that calls himself Rabbi Charles. From tonight, you are no longer a part of this great family, so that any crime you may commit, anything that you may do, IPOB will not be held responsible. Mrs. Patricia Onwumere, this person was IPOB Milan coordinator. Stanley Nwaka, deputy IPOB Milan coordinator. Ngozi Mbaeze, Brescia coordinator. Maazi Paul Achebe from Piemonte zone, and Chiamaka Rachel from Torino zone. Also Celestine Chineke, who is or who was the deputy coordinator of San Dona zone, is as well. All these people and individuals are relieved of any position that they may be holding in IPOB family and expelled from this movement. The rest are as follows. Mrs. Rose Blanchard Ejiro, Pastor Sander Eric, and Owa Sophia Obaze. These individuals from henceforth, from tonight, they are no longer part of IPOB family. And anyone that is dealing with them is dealing with people who do not belong to this movement. The leadership of this great movement, we are not resting on our oars, because I have to continue to reiterate that we have only two objectives which this leadership is pursuing morning, day and night. Eke Ori and we are not resting. Be it those in the legal department, of course, our team of lawyers, led by Barrister Ejiofor and Barrister Jimakol. Be it those who are working on the diplomatic front, those who are our prayer warriors, those in the media, all of you are doing exceptional great work in order to ensure that the immediate objective of this leadership and of this movement is the release of the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, the unconditional release of our leader, because Nwachineke has committed no crime. In fact, a great injustice has been done against him. A crime has been committed against him, and not only that, he must be released. Those who extraordinarily rendition him, they must wait to have their day also when they are called upon at the appropriate international courts of justice. Now, the release of our leader is our immediate objective. Now, the second objective and the ultimate objective of this very movement which he put in place is the restoration of the sovereign and independent Biafran nation. It is Biafra or Biafra or Biafra. Nothing in between. And here, because we are a peaceful movement, we are making a demand for the conduct of a referendum for the Biafran people. We are demanding that all machineries in agreement with the Biafran people, of course, must be put in place by the international community and allow the Biafran people to exercise their right to self-determination. The right to self-determination is enshrined in the United Nations Charter governing the issues that deal with indigenous peoples. The right to self-determination is also enshrined in African Union Charter. And this right, as we are all aware, they have been domesticated by the Nigerian authority, by the Nigerian government. Therefore, Nigerian government is bound by these very rules, international rules that deal on the rights of indigenous people to self-determination. They domesticated it, and when they domesticated it into their law, it becomes part of their law. They must therefore put the necessary legislation in place, if that is what it will require. They must therefore put the necessary act in place to afford the Biafran people the opportunity to make a decision as a race whether they want to remain where they are in the servitude that they are going through at the moment, in the killings and horror that we are passing through, or that they want to live as a normal, free people, as people in civilized wars are doing.
My word, that brings us to the end of this beautiful update. Do well to like this video, share and subscribe. The best thing for you to do is to join this family by smashing on that red subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you when I see you. From me to you, I say bye.